Hi class, in this video I'm going to give you a really quick introduction into using the GeoGebra graphing tool. So if you go to geogebra.org/geometry, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. If you don't see the graph paper right here in the middle, click on this little thing in the corner and select Show Axes, so your x-axis and your y-axis show up. And then also click on Show Grid, and then select Major Grid Lines, so that you get a piece of graph paper basically. So you have some basic tools over here. No need to click on more because all the tools you need are right here. So I'm going to show you how to draw a triangle. We're going to draw a triangle ABC, and let's see, we'll start by clicking on points. We're going to plot a point. Point A is -1, 1. So once you click on points, now you can put points anywhere you want on the coordinate plane. Point B is -5, 1, so -5, 1. And point C is -5, 4. So I have the three vertices of my triangle graphed. Now I'm going to click on Segment and connect the dots. So you can just kind of drag and drop to connect the dots and make triangle ABC. And this is what you'll be doing in your assignment today. Some cool things to note are if you click on this little calculator right here and click on each point, it'll tell you the coordinates of each point. If you need to undo something that you did, you can click on this little back arrow here to undo your work. And those are really the only two tools that you're going to need today, the point and the segment. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you in class.